Hi, it's Handy Val. In this video, I'll be showing all the steps involved in changing your cabin air filter on your Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ and or Milan. It's important to change these filters every 2 years for a few reasons. First, these filters help keep pollutants, road dust, and allergens out of your car's cabin when your heater or air conditioning is on. Second, a clean filter also ensures your car's heater and air conditioner motor isn't being overworked. A dirty filter means that the fan assembly motor blowing the air from your vents need to work extra hard. That puts strain on the fan and could lead to it prematurely failing. You don't want that because that's costly. Third, a clean filter can also help you save on gas as the air conditioning air can flow more freely. The filter I'm using is made by Fram and it's infused with carbon, so it also helps keep odors out. But please choose a filter of your choosing. For US cars, I like using Fram, while for German cars, I like to use the German filter companies like Mann, Hengst, and Mahle. So let's get to it. It only takes a few minutes, and all you need is a flathead screwdriver. Here's my flathead screwdriver. This procedure will work for most Ford Fusions from 2010 to 2012. Your glove compartment, you're going to open it up, and you're going to want to do this. It's being held by a few bump stops, if you could see them here. And you're going to want to just squeeze the plastic in, squeeze it in as far as you can, and then the whole compartment will kind of drop, and that gives you some clearance. Alright, so you want to get your flathead screwdriver in that slot there and kind of push it out, okay? You don't want to do too far, and you want to get your hand in there as well. So get your screwdriver in there, kind of do that, and get your hand. It's got a little bit of a clip. Okay, and again, you're going to want to do the same thing over on this side as well. And you're going to want to get your hand in there as well. And you're going to notice that this whole door kind of just comes out. And just to show you what I was doing out there, I'm getting in there, I'm pushing this thing out. See a little tab over there? See my screwdriver kind of go in there, and the tab just pushes out, and you can kind of just go in there with your hand and push it out. And the same thing on this side. You're going to get in there, push it out, and then with your hand pull the whole thing out. Okay, so now you've got this, and now you can tell, you see the old filter there? Let's have a look. I mean, this thing hasn't been in there for too long. You're just going to want to get your hand in there, maybe both your hands in there, just kind of just get it out, get it out, get it out. And yeah, well, there you go. Let's compare this now to the new one. So here's the old filter, there's the new one, right? Because sure to see, man, it's the same company. That's the new one, kind of has this whitish, and this is the old one. Now, it's only been there for a couple of years, and you could sort of see it. This is dust, grime that would have gone into the car's cabin, would have likely gone into your lungs. I don't know what this white stuff is. I don't know if that's salt. Perhaps it could be. Lots of dust, so it's time. It's time. See you later, old filter. All right, so these are rectangles, all right? And never mind about it says the airflow needs to go down. I mean, but you can't. If you remember how we put it in, this is the direction. It wasn't like that, right? That's the direction, okay? So you're just gonna wanna squeeze it in there, get it back in there. Don't be afraid. Kind of just push it in there. Push it in there, let it go, and it just kind of gets in there. If you could tell now, that's it. When you know it's like that, it's done. Okay, now you're gonna get the glove box, or the closing thing. Make sure it says filter access door. You don't have it going the other way, all right? That's the, and this is now an easy part. You're just gonna wanna set this thing up, and all you need to do is just push it in on both sides. And you're just going to want to check it just to make sure it's not going to fall off. Try pulling it with your hands. It's not going anywhere. That's pretty much sealed. And now the next thing you're going to want to do is, now that's it. We're done. All that remains now is putting the glove compartment back. Now again, you're just going to push this out as much as you can. Push it. Push them together. Right? Just let this thing pass. Once it passes, right? That's it. Close it. Try it again. Works. Close it. That's done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to access my many other Ford Fusion videos, and consider subscribing as I will be posting many other Ford Fusion videos in the future. Thanks, and bye for now.